leaked screenshot from Anthropic that's floating around the internet right now that they're building a full stack engineering kit. This is a full stack app builder that's direct competition to Lovable, Replit, and Bolt, and this is going to get really interesting. And hey, if you're new here, I'm Kevin. I break down what's happening in AI and how you can build with it. So if that's you, hit follow. So just days after Lovable raised another $330 million, Replit's valued at over $1 billion. Now Anthropic is putting all that space into a single prompt. So these leaks show 4 screenshots, and you can see the prompt bar about let's them build something great, so you know that Anthropic is coming for their throats. Looks like they're building a live preview of your apps, a dashboard to manage it, database connections, sign-in, security scans, the whole kit and caboodle that's going to compete with Lovable and Replit and all these vibe coding sites. They're doing the same thing as Lovable and the rest of them. They're combining all these services and systems into a single prompt, into a single application or repo. Super-based backend, you can do your Vercel, you can manage everything in the Cloud app while you build with Opus or Sonnet. And again, this goes back to what Sam Altman said years ago. If you are building to the gaps of what these frontier labs are making, you're going to get squashed. But if you're building to where AI improves and accelerates, you go alongside it, value. You're going to benefit and build with them. And Lovable, Replit, and Bolt, all these companies that are vibe coding companies, built on top of what the frontier labs can do, and kind of building into the gaps of like vibe coding. We've always seen this a bit with Gemini. Gemini, the whole AI studio, they just redid it again. It looks great. They're going end to end against these guys, but now Anthropic's kind of throwing their hat in the ring. And it's funny because in AI Recess, we just talked about using Lovable to build out some features and tools, and we're going to cover that in a future course. And now I have to rethink the whole approach there. So if you're thinking of vibe coding and building something with Claude, with ChatGPT, with Gemini, the question now is, do you use Lovable? Do you use Replit? Or you just go into Claude Desktop and just build everything there. You do cowork, you can do chat, you can do deep research, and you can go right into building an app. All low friction, all within the same ecosystem. Make sure you follow for the next leak that comes out. We can talk about it.